Hello everyone, this is Christina and you all are welcome to my Christina's Diary. I hope you all will be good, doing good. So today it is raining since I think early morning. I don't know, I think it might be raining at night also because we were sleeping. So here let me see ahead what did I record. So here you can see two birds. Every day these two birds they come to my open area. I keep food for them. So ये आते हैं अपना चोगा खाते हैं and then they fly back. So अब हम इनके पास भी घूमते रहते हैं but still they do not fly. So ये मेरे स्लाइडिंग डोर के बाहर हैं. बारिश हो रही है बहुत तेज़ की. सो यू कैन सी इट इज़ रेनिंग. बहुत गंदा हो रखा है बाहर. सो आई लव दीज बर्ड्स. हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दे आर. गॉड्स ब्यूटीफुल क्रिएशन. I think they have filled their tummies because it is raining out now, so that's why they are coming here and feeding themselves. Let me see out. It's raining. What do you want?
खाना.
खाना. See, this boy, he got up just now. So, as I have told you that it is raining outside, so I thought, to do something special, to cook something special. So then I found that I have a 1 liter extra milk. So I am going to make kheer today, means rice pudding with milk. Let me show you. So here you can see there is I had a 1 liter milk, then I added approx half liter water in it, and then it is getting warm and it is on low flame. So then here I have some rice, basmati tukdi, and which I soaked I think 30 minutes before. So now I will remove the water. So you can see water here. So we'll remove the water because the rice got soft now. So we'll add into it. So I have removed the water now. So we'll add the rice into that milk. Okay, so flame is on low. So I have a half hour, because after half hour I have to take class, and kheer will take approx 1.5 hour, or means 1.5 hour to 2 hours to get it cooked. So I will take class in between. So by the time it will be cooking on very low flame. So you can see low flame. So meanwhile I have a half hour, so I will take advantage of that time. So I will clean the vessels now. So in between I will keep stirring it. मैं इसको हिलाती रहूँगी. मैं तो जैसे क्लास लेने अगर बैठ गई तो मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होगा क्योंकि 40 मिनट की क्लास होती है. देन I will ask my any one of my family member to keep stirring in between. So almost 20 to 25 minutes has gone. So you can see kheer is almost done. So now I do not have much time. So what I will do is, here some more milk is needed. So I will add 1.5 cup more. So here I have taken some raisins, and this is dry grated coconut. So we'll add into a rice pudding. किशमिश और नारियल को मैंने इसमें ऐड कर दिया है. So we'll cook approx on a very low flame at least for a half or more. Half at least 15 to 20 minutes. So you can see, but still it need to get mixed well now these rice. So चावलों को इसमें और अच्छे से मिक्स होने की ज़रूरत है अभी. So we'll cook some time more. So now I have to take class. So going to give charge to somebody else to stir it. So going to add 3 crushed cardamom also. So it gives a very yum aroma, beautiful and tasty smell. So let it cook. So in between I had to put off the gas stove because I started taking class. Then again I have switched on my gas stove. So you can see, so approx for 20 to 15 minutes I will cook it again on very low flame. So now what I will do, I will add sugar as per taste. Yes, so we'll mix it. So we'll cook it. So it is looking yummy. Okay, so now other side you can see my son, he is making tank for himself. So बहुत सारी चीनी बेटा आप ऑलरेडी डाल चुके हो. This vessel. So you have seen that I am making kheer today. So just now one of my students, her mother called me that I am not coming out today because it is raining. So because of rain, so I am also free. So I thought let me enjoy. So I am out. So you can see it is raining. Yes, raining. So you can see kheer is ready now. It is looking yum. So going to eat. Yes, my rice pudding is ready. So let me taste it. Yum. So thanks for watching my videos, and those who watch me on YouTube, please subscribe my channel. Those who follow me, watch my videos on Facebook, please follow my page also. So thanks for watching and keep watching, and God bless you all. Thank you. Bye bye.